Mame Mao Akwaba Enfaumbra Ghana Nsem TBGH so wofreme adwoa searching. Ebusiafo audio bi trending ewo internet ne so between Appiah Stadium and Honorable Asensu Boache Bantama MP. Na audio no eya botesem eya bufusem. Ninim asem a Honorable Asensu Boache eka ede efa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne ho. According to audio no, Appiah Stadium efre Honorable Asensu Boache ena ochre say Honorable akoka nsem bi afa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne ho. Nti no odi natem. Na se odi natem anke di ono nko ateme or the His Excellency the former president na Adon Akufo-Addo ebeka ho eka anya ka kire ne say na ado a ote ho kra na no esunsu no enumpo no Asensu Boache ntimi ndi natem account from His Excellency John Dramani Mahama yenti nsima Appiah Stadium ede etodwa
dia wa ye de wa hu se de wa ya ewunim edi se ana me je se wo de wo so se wo ti bi se makan na so bi se wo ye dey e bi se nti media me ka bi Asensu me fancho o da me benye se bia wo stop me fire o me keka madua kire o go ahead me keka madua je bi se Asensu ya ye o ya ye ni amon ho amamu ne kure o ya kwala kura Asensu o nya the right person as o kisa if there any da me mo ya we say me ba be di watem ne kure man kan cha Asensu na me did papa say me be kan kure say me say di watem say o ya de joma ma ni ma ifom if the joma ma fa better than Akufo-Addo no all right mate ene ma joma ma ye 1 year Akufo-Addo na o sifa kwa no oda na no so we di ba nyim kota all right tell you the fact o ya ye ni amo ho Asensu am kan kire ai me bo madua kire pa ma wa o tie o yembe hyew mate Asensu wo ya dia mamu da mbebu ya wo nya kwan fa kama esu anim e be keka se joma ma ache idiot udwane
Ebusiafo ensem we na Appiah Stadium ede atudwa nti no all patch say His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo enya na fen ene John Dramani Mahama eba no amembu a na odi His Excellency the former president Nana Akufo-Addo atem na Appiah Stadium the person mi yimakomem e ka kire say you are very foolish. In fact wo ye peni bia wa agimi onni nyansa wo Ghana ha na wo Appiah Stadium no mo jeje wo so wo ye jimi fo pa wade fam bonne chen you see Nana Akufo-Addo abro ye president Asamben and Sam George okujata blakwa Malek Basintale Sameje fikitikiti impo Asamben including John Dramani Mahama na kasa ye president na Asamben field including His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ye ndo ye president Asemben e no manka amfa na nado ne ho na Appiah Stadium ye koka ne enti a o se na nado nye na fene John Dramani Mahama e ba na membu mu a unni minyansa na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ye ka say on rule Ghana for 60 years ye man 60 years in person of rule Ghana ade na nado di 8 years here and say na nado kra be ye president or di just 2 years here no John Dramani Mahama ye man 60 years to continue fine na nado be ye president na mo ni Ghana ha na wan ka sa wo John Dramani Mahama no o shedem na nado ne first term ne second term ne third term he kept mute. In fact or your silence until say COVID-19 be hit him mama for kasa John Dramani Mahama so nya no be kasa na ka Mahama no betimi akasa Appiah Stadium for one twitwi fem na wo jimi wo Ghana ha no the only man yes massa boss and wo ma was continue you think say wo betimi afafo na kan Kwasia sama trubia how dare you I mean how dare you say wo be ka chena na do say oto na no so no kra no Asensu Boache ntimi nkasa asem nche no na Asensu Boache na wakoka asem a wo ne deal personally na nado na wodi ni din bemi ne na nado e no be ye president Ghana njankafo eyisia ehiafo mobofo nyina enya asonfaso nde ukofie bia mu a abof se ye benya obi ka how are you kira na se obi etro message bi e be fie bi mu so mo be ko mu a ye benya obi a wawie SHS na wawie dia mo no mu se ye mpo yanko school na asem we na eba yemba we wa ko school to wetimi aso ano amaye ye benye bi efie bia mu. How dare you? How dare you compare John Dramani Mahama to His Excellency, the former president, Nana Akufo-Addo? I mean, how dare you? Because John Dramani Mahama to me stabilize the dollar. And so what? John Dramani Mahama to me stabilize the dollar. Then so prices of goods are cost. Koko ekuyafo eton koko omu nyomu pay. And omu tombai, omu dobai the phone and brofu na. Omu feelings, omu are useless. Teachers, John Dramani Mahama into omuka. Nurses into omuka. Just say John Dramani Mahama eba ni second term you na kasa so oba beti n'enimi. At the papa be na John Dramani Mahama eti nya yom ama o man Ghana. Mahama ba oko 2 years so edem pa na Mahama aye. In fact, ofa ne sensible. Nanado me ni me kura no misa nanado esisi infrastructures. Secondary school bia wa Ghana ha bia. Universities ahoro. Nanado aye akwan esin president wa ba Ghana bia. Nanado aye catching asin Ghana president bia. Nanado ma free SHS o provide ambulance. Ne first time o buy ya na Ghana ye ni ambulance. Me kena o John Dramani Mahama no abe rule Ghana for 8 years. Oko ni ambulance wa Ghana ha no. Nanado de free SHS buy o provide books, aduane, school atare, empaboa. Chese bibia Nanado provide including electricity am find this year go school kwende. O John Dramani Mahama buy mo fa no etua electricity bill e wo school. In fact, it move out to your water bill. So who nima kwana kobisa? How dare you? I mean, how dare you for one to from Appiah Stadium? When you're correct all. Me only ask sense buachi na nya yan kan kan fa me ho. Me wetimi afra sense buachi e de ato loudspeaker e de abeto internet and so edidi His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo attempts on court one na no so adanya Mahama ye better sin no. Aka wo kan asem we say instant justice wo ha esenka agrada tisi so na ka wawu wo ha wa bodam papa Appiah Stadium wo nya correct wo ya fun pa so wo kan say na no so wa bodam Nana better so how many times na who say Juma for demonstration wo ha wo John Dramani Mahama no buy when you 1 year I feel wa kwakoshe ni 2 years in demonstrations are ekoso wo Ghana ha aboso kan for ebe ko nurses eko teachers eko what be your president who nya 1 year mpo demonstrations ekoso kokwa for be demonstration twice nurses teachers aba besu sika no we hu ntimi ntua adwuma ye for kan ma wo di sika no stabilize the dollar we nyansani a wo de ba be compare Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ebe kasa Nana so wo nya papa Nyame fa bone nche oni san Kwasia semina o ti Ghana hanom na wodi no. You are a very foolish person to say Nana no wonsu. Me o kan say bi anka me ni house house Nana no wonsu. Wa bodama na Appiah Stadium. We are correct oh. E den Jimmy Semen so no.
Na me say Jimmy ni the door so ne ma ye to san Kwasia ba no. But ensem a san krofo we kan no. So what dream no part to say you will fall for them. So now I'm beginning to feel a little bit sympathy for Ghanaians. But emre konimuno Ghana for nabi. This is what they said. I see our manifesto, and they said all this in their manifesto to convince the cocoa farmers. Not to force in Namha. Now can some enim 70 million, 40 million, 80 million, 200 million. Ebe mu say, and the crafolo fele say, Abina also a first and another mine abino. E boom Kwasia. Yes, say upon Cherny free Suasiba. Now Obecatcher so denchemowa, Yagnetini, Ebi. Adintia. The America for folly so much. For them, they say, and yet don't demand Mahama and Quent you. At force your parliament, and we a former finance minister, 10 years back, and Tina Mika said this time, me feel so small sympathy with the microphone, although do don't want you more hardier than so. And you say, baby, and I didn't free banner. The things say true. And one would say Abino, I have friends and another go for MPP Abino, a boom Kwasia. Baby, I mean, feel sympathy more who's almost 7 I don't know from the Yansan or from the say. Abana be far 4.5. No, they call 31 million. From 4.5 no 31 million. What's this about way you come for? No, when me and say, so now you're not just so baby and Kwasia and on to me pay free was going to do the edry. And fashion to me said another moment at the time on cocoa is so by you. Nanado me can't check your force, Yatico Coos, ultimate Tico Coso. Fashion trim. And a bambino or better could you so I could go for another a yamaso, a cocoa, yen to an ienteso. Or the catcher was say, I about Mahama Mamuno, ye be ma, obi bia ukani bia we cocoa can be a hospital in the area. I'm actually free. Can we not be adding? Can you be adding? A queer folk go for a send a my name. Bind to me show, name provide you. Nanado, a bind by idea, a my queer phone me. Baby, I make us me feel sympathy mon becan, Medica can be a fill him out. I'm who say a queer for and a gunner for ye greedy. Ghana nipper and make out including me. We are so greedy. The Ghana Nique bien soleni. For the first time in history, our Ghana Bakosimu, there is no government, and I repeat, no government, I repeat, there is no government, our ba, our Mokuku, our told that, as in another number one, I bind another mamu pen or day, as you say, by or yeah, Nesri. Saturday not all employees now from say Nakufuno. Now or no Muko, share on my Nesri sooner. Or yeah, Nesri. Uya. What open your hands of us, what Mausika at the phone. Ebu Ashi. Uya, what the Nesri na brow. Now on one side be Diamau. 10 years. Uya. Wasama 10 million per acre. Sikase bus afibia fado hon. Listen to me. Owia wasama obodie a ebetimi aso afuni nyina. Se wofo ye 1000 acres a ubenya bodie 1000 acres bodie. Se wofo ye 5 acres, 10 acres, 20 acres. Aban no se bodie udua bodie wo ne ye nko because kuku asase bia ye bodie ye. Obi fidi bodie. Na enije se wo mu ni se bodie ne ba utwe ne nyina ton afa adi na owia afeso a wasama each acre bia 10 million extra bodie no because en say bodie udua eteki afi ansa na bodie na ba enti ontimi nka se o transfer wa fo se do ho odo ho ka bodie na ba no ko beka se we na waton bodie ndia ka for bodie ne den eye papa ne sen ma osika ni nyina mu no o san provide a dry the boss e provide fertilizer akua form wo man Ghana mu dudu no a anyemu na dudu no a is so greedy to the extent say omu fi saade we nyina wo bra na enche you omkwa mu de activities no na ye ongoing every year bia na nya activities obeye ne ba ko pe na ka se bia o ye no na wura afie kokoo ni dua no e continue every year. Every time bia we hear go ni bia no the here say we call ministry ho but John Dramani Mahama ne sankrofo ya kwa oyere take advantage of noble people now must be adwene mu from na sabi nyansa ne wo from akra no un take advantage of them kokoko for no ye wo mo mako university awiwie ye wo mo nim ma bobra e wo sikati tiro mo kokofo ye wo anyansafo a won nkoto ba ma John Dramani Mahama because they know him but I come na do maka ho nti na I feel sympathy with mom